Yeah. Hello, everyone. Let's start the session. So, yesterday we discussed a basic overview of how do we set up environment for TypeScript, how to install TypeScript, how do we create TypeScript programs, how do we compile, run the TypeScript programs, the basic thing we discussed. Hope you practiced all of that. Do you have any issues in that? What we learned in the last session, do you have any issues? Fine. So everyone started practicing that, right? Because once we start working practically, so if any issue comes, you can let me know so that I can go through that and I can resolve the problem what you are facing on your machines, right? Yeah. So okay, let's start the today's session and see the concepts step by step. Okay. So last session we learned installing TypeScript, and we discussed about creating a new TypeScript project. We learned about how to create TypeScript programs, and we learned about how to compile and run those programs. So the basic of programming we learned. That means how to write the programs, how to compile the programs. So TypeScript programs, they are created with extension .ts. We compile them by using tsc demo.ts, and we run them node demo.js. tsc is a TypeScript standalone compiler. It transcompiles into JavaScript, and to run JavaScript programs, we installed Node.js. Node.js provides a node terminal. By using this node terminal, you can compile JavaScript programs and run those programs. Node is for compiling and running the JavaScript programs, or you can integrate this JavaScript into a HTML page and use it. That is what we can do. Yeah. Now, after understanding this, one more important point you have to know is, so TypeScript is superset to JavaScript, means it is advanced high level to the JavaScript. So hence all JavaScript programs are valid in TypeScript. Everything what you do in JavaScript is valid in TypeScript. You can write your JavaScript programs in TypeScript. But we don't continue that JavaScript programming in TypeScript anymore. Some more TypeScript related rules and behaviors we will discuss, right? So today we are going to discuss about the TypeScript language basics. TypeScript language basics. We are going to learn about the TypeScript language basics. So after the basics, then we can go into advanced. So in language basics, when you are dealing or learning with any language, the language